Hello everybody and welcome to our Saturday show and tell. I have done another 7 pieces of ephemera and I am on envelopes again this week. I'm not going to do a tutorial as such because I can link you back to previous tutorials. The envelopes are made in the same way. This time I've used pattern paper. These are digitals. I'll try and remember who they're from. Excuse me. I print mine on quite good quality. The sort of paper, it's sort of heavyweight copy paper that's made for presentations and things like that. So this one is My Porch Prints Granny's Attic. I really can't remember where I got this bit of text from, but it's just torn from another digital. It's French writing. I will try and look it up, but I'm not sure if I can remember. If I can, I'll link it. Sample labels, and I've used Tim Holtz die cuts to decorate these envelopes. These are made on my We Are Memory Keepers envelope board. This one, if you're not familiar with it. And I probably did the, I think these are 3 by 4 approximately. Let's have a look. A bit more, no, 5. These are 5 by 3.5, 3 1/4. Excuse me. So that's the first one, and I've lined these in the same way that I did the ones with the napkins, but these are lined with sewing pattern paper, and I've put a little found quote on that one. So that's number 1. Number 2 is similar. I think this is Granny's Attic as well, My Porch Prints, sample label. This is a little snippet that I was actually gifted. This was made by Carol Parker from Oak House Journals, but it seemed to suit that envelope. And again, I've used tissue paper and a found quote on the back. This one is My Porch Prints Grandma's Attic. I've used a die cut again. I've actually stitched a little bit of lace along the bottom of that one, which looks quite pretty. Another found quote. Another one from My Porch Prints Grandma's Attic. I like using found quotes. I like sometimes it can give you a good prompt, I guess, for some journaling if that's what you like doing. So this one is a digital from Dust to Roses. I can't remember what it's called, I'm sorry, but it's Dust to Roses. And I put another, sorry, it's too early in the morning, die cut out here. This one is My Porch, no, not My Porch Prints. This is Chapter 1 papers. This is French Florals, their new digital, which is absolutely beautiful. Fine summer morning, which it is here in the UK. It's not officially quite summer, but it is lovely today. And the last one again is Chapter 1 papers, French Florals. Sample labels, a bit of lace on that one, and that's the back. So that's all for today. I'll try and link the as I said, I'll try and link the papers I've used, and I will link to the previous tutorial on these types of envelopes. So thank you for watching. Short and sweet today, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.